decide where the fuck my BBs are going.
You can't?
No.
I can see the light. Wait,
the BB just dies on my leather. I'm tired of not being able to see shit in these dark games.
It's dark. It's hella dark now. I'm scared.
Sorry, I tried my best to point it down.
Nothing but night games. Really? What? If you come on Tuesdays, it's nothing but night games.
Oh yeah, it's Cosmic Tuesdays. Yeah. They turn on like some colored lights in here and shit too.
They were half price. They still have price.
I don't know if it's all the way half. I think it's at least 20.
Yeah.
I know it's a lower price. I just don't remember what it is. Yeah.
Jump over to red.
Or should I just run the strobe?
Please don't.
And just fuck everybody else?
I mean, that would work extraordinarily well.
Fuck everybody else. I think I should turn the strobe on and just fuck everybody else. The white's bad. The white's bad. I just want to be able to see where I'm stepping. It's not that bright. It's because the trigger well is smaller. My finger can only move that far. So it's just on the trigger every time. He hits you? I know, I don't feel it on mine either. I think I'm turning my high beam on. Is this too obnoxious? What? Is this too obnoxious?
Yeah.
I don't give a fuck.
It's really bright. No, I'm getting like rushed in.
Do you think this is gonna break? Do you think this is gonna break?
Oh yeah.
Really?
My adapter's dead. Oh, I got no Bluetooth. Guess I'm playing music. Yeah, they got that field goal. Guess I'm hearing people.
Oh, dude, we're fucking fine.
Hold on, let me try.
I was gonna say, don't put me behind that.
Jimmy!
No! My gun don't shoot very hard.
Is my camera good? It is?
Oh, wait, we need to do pictures. Oh, fuck.
Need you guys come to the cemetery with me. Right away.
I mean, I'm down.
Get there. Get there.
That's where that dom point is, isn't it? Bet!
That one down point in this game we're playing.
Am I shooting?
Lay it on me, see? No, see.
Okay. He's talking to us.
I'm trying. You take a move.
This would be a great photo. Hey, hell yeah, fuck.
The first game that Donovan is back after beating cancer. Let's go!
Hell yeah. I didn't know that.
Yeah, CBD had cancer. He had to take a break.
This fucking headlamp is the greatest thing I ever bought. Let's go for our route. Let's go for our route. It's a whole lot of our team sitting in spawn still. Gage is calling us up here. Hunter, Gage wants us up here. Yeah.
Turn that bitch around. Let's go.
No, we're clear. God damn it. Hunter, let's go around to the stairs on the other side and get down to White House. Look out. Move. No, fuck you. Look out. My fault.
That's why I was gonna go first. Oh, you're blue. Thank God. Sweet. Sorry. Good, come up. Suck dick. If you can't see, neither can they. Hit! Swing that fucking window. Keep your eyes forward, my light will blind you. Good hit, move in. Move in. Reloading. Hit! I'm pretty sure that was a fucking teammate. Jacob. didn't get hit. Blue, blue! Yeah. I don't know, this dude keeps pushing me and he's getting real mad because he can't hit me. What? Nothing. This dude keeps trying to come in here and he's getting real mad because he's not hitting me and he thinks he is. Reloading. Whoa, what the hell? Scared the fuck out of me. Good game, man.
We held y'all.
Oh yeah, I was in Chernobyl that whole time.
We were over there in tunnels and we got told to go back. And back to our spawn and 4 blues just came out and sprayed us in the back as we were walking back.
Oh no.
I'm like, you can't do that.
Yeah, that's crazy.
We get told to walk back and then 4 blues just come out of nowhere and start spraying us.
Yeah, that's crazy. There was somebody on your team kept trying to get me out of Chernobyl. He had something. It was a tapped pistol. I could hear it, but that's yeah. You too. I would hear him.
You the one that was up in that corner over there?
I think so.
That was shooting that?
Yeah.
Did that actually get you?
Not that time.
What's their 2 mags I gave?
I know I got you one time.
I went. Yeah, this one. He must have been dry firing or something. I could hear him going, but he never hit me, and he got real mad. He was like, "You're not gonna call that?" And I was like, none of them hit me." This one dude's pistol was like